I got a Beyblade that will make your cousin uncry. Since last time, one of my viewers made his cousin cry, so he needs some help with that. So I got this right here. You can buy it off of Etsy for about $2,000. Here's the launcher for it. Pretty rare. I don't know why they use something so good like that. And the bait itself is right here. It is Hell's Person 840 with tip. Those are the official parts names. And if you could tell, it has negative burst resistance. So let's try it out. First battle will be with my test Beyblades. Hell's Dragon, Scythe Dragon, I don't care what you call this guy. But that's the first opponent. Next will be his enemy, Sword 360 Bite, because I bit it. That's a lie, I didn't bite it. I shaved it down. Oh yeah, this guy has 360 flat, by the way. The next and final bay will be my Knight Shield, the blue one, 360 low needle. I shaved it down so it can be lower. It's the opposite of high needle, so let's see how that works. Oh, looks like he's losing. Yeah, he lost. 1 point for dragon person. Yep. Oh, he's getting whooped. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh my goodness, bro. I wonder how he. No, I want to launch that first instead. Watch this. Oh, I dropped the Beyblade. Oh. Well, that's unfortunate. The next opponent will be with Sword now. And I'm actually going to use the launcher that it comes with, so. But at least the first battle. Down. That sucks. That launcher sucks, man. I don't know. I guess it's only to like put on the shelf. Whatever. Get him, Sword. Get him, Sword. Yo, Sword. No way. No way. No way. Extreme finish. Yeah, Sword's pretty strong, you know. Well, let's try that again. Oh, bad launch. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh my, so unfortunate. The final bay will be this guy. Oh. Oh. An official win. I mean, he won the other ones too, so. He never lost the other ones with my interference. Oh no, looks like he's losing right now. Yo, you got this. Don't even stress out about it. Don't even stress out. Spin finish. Well, that's 3-0. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. No, those battles are so quick. I might as well get another battle to end off the video. With my, my Drawn Sword 360 flat. I only use stock combos, by the way. Unless it's with, like, these 3 guys. 4 guys. I can't count. This guy basically doesn't count. As a Beyblade, that's how bad he is, so let's try that out. Ooh, get him, John Sword. Get him. See, I didn't even cheat that time, man. That's how I know John Sword's gonna win. I mean, I didn't cheat. Oh. Oh. Yeah, get him, John Sword. John Sword can win, right? Oh my goodness, that was actually kind of close. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Triple extreme dash. Oh my, you missed it, bro. Oh, where do you get that speed from? Oh. Oh, dude. Ow! Clearly, this guy is the worst Beyblade, so use this Beyblade if you want to make your cousin uncry. Yeah.